Hello, girls and boys. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very excited to be with you as always. I am standing up today because I got tired of sitting. If you want to try that sometime, you can too. You just need something high enough. You get kind of like fidgety. You want to stand and do your work. It's always a good little movement break. So we are going to be talking today about, and this whole week about, doubles. Okay, so doubles are when you repeat a number again. So for example, you add a number to itself. So for example, let me move myself into the middle here. If I hold up one finger and I double it, that means I'm adding another one, and together I get 2. So 1 and 1 makes 2. All right? So if I had 1 cube and I doubled it, that means I add another cube. So 1 and 1 makes 2 cubes. Okay? If I have if I have 2 fingers up and I double it, how many fingers should I put up? That's right, 2 more fingers. So I add the exact same number to itself. So 2 plus 2 more makes makes 4. Makes 4. So look, we have 2 cubes, and then we double it. We add 2 more, we get 4. Okay? We'll do one more example before we get into our word problem of the day. What if I have, we'll just stick with the pattern. What if I have 3 fingers up, and I double that? That means I need to add 3 more, because I'm doubling it, right? Same number. So 3 and 3 makes 6. Yeah, so let's check that. If we have 3 connecting cubes and I double it, that means I have to add 3 more, we get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so doubling is what we're going to be doing this week. So if you could please do me the favor of taking out your math packet. It should say Monday word problem with none other than Mr. McAndrew. Okay, so we're going to read it together as we always do. Kind of a fun little word problem here. It says Sasha found a magic double wand. It doubles everything it touches. So that's cool. It's like you have a wand and everything you touch gets doubled. So if I had, let's say, 2 cubes down, and I wave my wand, I wave my magic double wand, whoo, I'm not sure if that's the sound it makes. Sorry. It would double. So you'd end up with 4 of them, okay? So it's a magic double wand. So it says if Sasha has 6 bracelets, you know what bracelets are, right? Those things that go on your wrist that women or girls often wear. Sometimes boys or men wear bracelets as well, but usually girls, if there's a lot of them, they would do that. And she touches them with her magic double wand, or woo, or whatever sound you want to make. Double zam, kazam. How many total bracelets does she have now? All right, so take out your, make sure you have your math packet, okay? And let's see what this would look like if we do it. Let me grab a marker. So let's first draw. Okay, first I'm going to draw 6 bracelets. So I'm just going to do circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So can you please draw in 6 bracelets as well? And remember, anytime I go too fast or you need some time to catch up, just pause the video and then you can join back in when you're ready. Okay? So she had 6 bracelets, right? So she had 6. And she took her magic double wand and went, whoo, double wazam kajam. And she had how many more bracelets? If she doubled it, that means she has 6 more. If you have a different color marker or pen or pencil, please use it. Otherwise, it's okay. So I'm going to add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, you'll notice we're still using the double 10 frames like we did last week. Okay, so we added 6. All right, and you can see from the 10 frame we did 6, and then we added 4 more to fill up that 10 frame, and then we added 2 more from here. All right, and we know that right here is 10. So 6 and 4, that makes 10, plus the 2 here gives us what? What's 10 plus 2? 10 plus 2 gives us 12. Okay, so 6 and 6 makes 12. If you double 6, you get 12. All right, so let's write down our number sentence, also called an equation. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. All right, awesome. So it's really good to have doubles fluency, which means that you just know your doubles quickly. So we want to work on that this week. So towards that end, let's turn the page and let's do one more problem. This time I want you to try it, okay, the same way that I did it. And if you need to go back with the video, you can do that and look at my example. But let's read this one together. It says, I'll use my magic double wand. It says, Sasha also has 5 fish in her fish tank. If she touches the tank with her magic double wand, double shazam, whatever silly sounds you want to make, how many total fish will there be in her tank? Okay, so we could put 5 fish in the tank. We'll just draw, I'm just going to draw circles again. It's just easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and boys and girls, I'm going to let you finish the rest, but if you could also use your connecting cubes if you want to do it with these to represent the fish. All right, I do also want you to draw it in the 10 frame, but if using these helps you, then please do so. Okay, so you've got 5. All right, and then if you double it, you could take your other color and just double it like this and see how many you get. Okay, so I just doubled the 5, and then draw it into your 10 frame. Okay, and then write your number sentence. All right, so you have two options right now. You can pause the video, okay, and you can finish this word problem and then come back, or watch the rest of the video because I'm going to teach you a game. It's called the doubles game. Now, these math games are just so fantastic. All right, so the math game will look like this. It'll be the next paper that you have, called Monday Doubles Game, okay? And in your math bag, you should have a couple of dice that look like this. We call these dot dice because they have dots. Oh, look at that. I already have a double, 4 and 4, okay? So you want these dice, not the ones with the numbers on them, but these ones to begin with. Okay, we're going to start with these dice. All right, so here's how you play the game. I'm going to play it a few times, and then I want you to finish playing the rest of them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 opportunities to play this game, okay? So watch me first, and then you can do it. So I'm going to roll the dice. All right, now I don't have doubles, but if I want, I can just pick one. I'm going to pick the 3, and I'm going to make this one a 3. Okay? So right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 3 plus 3. And if I need to use this, I can. I've got 3 plus 3 more. I can see that gives me 5 plus 1 more is 6. So I write down my answer is 6. All right, that's it. And let's try it again. Now, if you want, you could just keep rolling until you get doubles. It might take a little while, though. But you can try that. I got a 4 and a 2. I got a 2 and a 1. I've got a 1 and a 6. That's really not doubles. Oh, that was close. 5 and 4. Oh, 6 and 6. That was awesome. We just did 6 and 6. All right, so I've got 6 and 6. So I would write, on my paper, I would write 6 plus 6. And let's see if I can figure this out. 1, 2, 3. I think we said it was 12, right? 5, 6. Let's double check that. do 6 more circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, so this is 10, and this is 2, so that does equal 12. Okay, awesome. So you can do mine if you want, or just do your own. And if you don't want to keep rolling until you get doubles, just pick one. Like, oh, I want to do the 5. So then you make this one a 5. Okay? You can also count the dots on here. You've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? How many? All right, so finish playing the game. Okay, fill up your paper so you can show your teacher. And what I want you to do is start to remember what are your doubles facts. So we want to remember, oh, 3 and 3 always makes 6. 6 and 6 always makes 12. 5 and 5, we know this one. 5 and 5 always makes 10. High 5, high 10, right? You got 10 fingers? Okay, you know that one. Okay, you also know this one. 1 and 1 makes 2. So that's a little magic, right? 1 and 1 makes 2. All right, enjoy playing the game, and I will see you very soon. All right, bye-bye.